Everyone, my name is Wayne.
Barushka.
We're from Free State Chopper in South Africa. This is our introduction video to our YouTube channel. So just to give people an idea of what our shop's about. So what we do mainly, we specialize basically on Davidson. We don't really work on any other brand. And then our main focus is, or one of our main focuses is building of bikes. So we build bikes by hand. Everything's done by hand. Tanks, fenders, frames, all done by hand. And then we also do restoration work on vintage Harleys, and then we do a lot of like refresh work on shovel heads, Evos, get those bikes to run like they should, get them back to like present, back to the present. We do, I make a lot of bespoke parts. I do a lot of forging. I forge Damascus steel, I forge Mukon Garnet, and I machine bike parts or parts for the bikes I build out of that. I build bikes out of brass, out of copper, out of steel, out of aluminium. And then we also have our own paint shop. So just before I hand over to Rishka, we do everything in this shop except chrome that we send out. But 98% of everything else that has to be done, we do in the shop. So as far as staff goes, in the workshop, it's me, and I have a helper, Stephen. And as far as the paint shop goes, it is Marishka, and she has a helper, Ernest. And now I'll switch over to Marishka, and she can explain the paint shop to you.
Hi. Okay, well, what Wayne forgot to mention, we've been doing this for 27 years, at least he has, which is quite a long time. The paint shop, Wayne paints all the base coats and clear coats for me. He does all the candies, all the flakes, and it's always add more flake, which it's not everybody's taste, but we love it. I do pinstriping, all kinds of gold leaf, variegated gold leaf, silver, aluminium, copper leaf, a lot of airbrushing, and something else that I've started is gilding on glass from Victorian times, so it's quite a challenge, but I'm getting there. So that will be another video for another time. So yeah.
Okay, and then just on that point, Rishka, for my birthday, she made me she gilded a piece of glass with gold leaf. So I must still make a frame for that. And so once I've made a frame for that, we will show that. Like she said, that's something else we're getting into now, and people seem to like it. So yes, that's basically it. Just one more thing, we also do a lot of engine upgrades, suspension upgrades on the more modern bikes. So like big engine work on even Evos twin cam M8, tuning work on the injected bikes and on the carbureted bikes. But on the injected bikes, we use exclusively Thundermax. I've been using Thundermax for about 20 years. So if you need something like that done, we'll be able to help you out. So we'd love to hear from you. And if you need our help or any service we offer, please don't hesitate to contact us. And
we'll put you can go and visit our website. We'll add a link to that, and we'll see how the YouTube channel goes. We've got Facebook
and
Instagram, so we'll try and upload content there regularly.
We're going to try and do at least 2 videos a week. We'll try our best to do that, and then those videos will be shared on Facebook also.
Yeah. So, but thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and
we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. Ciao.
Thanks.